Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Asa Life. If you are living in Dubai and you have a car and need to know about the car registration, then this is the video. So in this video we'll go through a car registration, the duration, the cost, then what are the steps we followed. So let's go. First thing first, what is Mulkia? Mulkia is a name given by UAE. It's the same car registration ID which has all the information about your car. The Mulkia consists of a detail like car registration number, then your vehicle plate number, your duration of expiry of car registration. So if you are having a valid Mulkia in UAE, you can drive a car. Otherwise, you may get a fine. So the next point is the cost. It's a yearly cost. Once in a year, you have to register your Mulkia. The cost vary from 300 to 800 depending upon the type of car you are using, either for 4x4 SUV or hatchback or sedan. But remember, this fees doesn't include the fines which are for your car. So it's excluding the fine. So next point is how to register a car. So once in a year you will get a message from RTA that your car registration is pending. So next step is you have to get a insurance because without insurance you cannot register the car. So you have to approach to insurance company, get a 1-year insurance. Then you can go to a RTA app. You can register your car registration inspection in any location in Dubai. There is one thing, if you are having a new car, first 2 years you don't have to go for a car inspection. You have to just renew your Mulkia without going to the RTA vehicle registration place. And it's very easy to pay the registration and register for a car inspection. It's to a RTA app. It's very fast and convenient. RTA app, they will show you a different location nearby where you can go for a car registration. So what actually happens in car inspection? In car inspection, the inspection is done by RTA officials. They check the condition of car, whether your tires are okay, whether your engine is okay, whether your nameplate visibility is okay. Because I had experience that every 4 years, I think you have to change your tires. And then one time they noted that my car plate was damaged. So they told me you have to replace the car plate. Without it, they will not register the car. So these are the few common things which they check. So once the car inspection is done, at the same time you can go to the office and you can get a message in your mobile, your car registration is done and it's okay. And then you have to pay your registration fees. Now what is the duration for car registration? In Dubai, it's always 1 year. Every 1 year you have to register your car. You have to inspect your car. You have to pay your insurance. So at the end, what is the cost of car registration once in a year? That is the main cost of your car every year. So for me, I had to pay like between 1000 to 1500 for insurance, which is must. Then for the registration, it is between 500 to 400. So you can say overall 2000 dirham I had to pay once in a year for my car renewal, car registration renewal. So this was the information from my side regarding car registration detail, the Mulkia registration in UAE. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share. Bye. Take care.